is us just arriving in Cairnryan. It's 10 to 6 in the morning. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. It's too early to be chirpy. First stop of the day, 25 to 8. That's absolutely glorious in southern Scotland. Everything seems to be okay. I've just had a sandwich and a cup of tea. Right, head on. Get to Sunderland. See the inskips. This figure's becoming increasingly familiar to us now. The Angel of the North.
What I tell you, how can I ever apologise for not mentioning you?
Oh, you said me that. Oh,
So,
no, yeah.
I've come here to give you a wee present.
Oh.
You have to read it.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh, you have to open it now. You have to open it.
Oh, it's a set of brake pads.
No. Take it out of the box. Take the wrapping off it. Come on. Are you excited?
Is it pet rocket or
At the same time,
Oh,
at the same time,
I think you have to slide
there's
that up.
nothing
Like.
going to jump out.
No.
Oh, right.
It's a brake pads with CBX.
Right, watch. Turn around the other way now. Lift it out.
Oh, well, it's not animal because you just.
Lift it out now. Just careful. Just hold that. It's really expensive. Hold that there now. Hold it with your hand and unwrap it very carefully.
It's not going to go.
No. Keep going. Now, I'm going to give you a wee bit of advice, drop it out. I'm going to give you a wee bit of advice. I wouldn't share it. And the second bit of advice was I wouldn't drink it all at once. I don't want you to do a wee bit of abracadabra and you can open your eyes now. And try that one, give me that back. Thank you.
I don't want that. Ah!
There you
Oh,
go.
treasures. You know me so well.
Do I have that?
Let me tell you.
We've had a couple of additions to the team. This is Paul's CB1100 and this is Paul's CB1300. Two Pauls and the third Paul has yet to arrive. On here we also have Norman. Young Normski's here on his CBX. Right, Norm. Shining like a shilling. Well, now that everybody is suitably parboiled and the sweat is running down the shucks of their arses, we're about to head off. We're in the lead vehicle because we're the most important. Paul's bringing up the rear in his Aston Martin because he's the quickest if he needs to catch us all up again. We're good to go. Right, let's go. We've made our first pit stop at Ferry Bridge and I have changed into something slightly more suitable. Shorts and sandals. I don't know how the guys in the bikes are feeling about it all, but bloody hell it's warm in that van. This is Paul's Aston Martin. Paul Inskip. I think this fully demonstrates the popularity of electric vehicles. The only vehicle in the Tesla charging point is a Tesla mobile service vehicle. All the rest of the points are completely empty because, thank God, the people of this country realise the ridiculous notion of electric vehicles. It's a farce, a joke, pathetic, net zero. Will not exist, does not exist. It's just another scam by the governments of the world, or the one world government, to try and get us round to their way of thinking. Not for me, boss. Petrol and diesel rules, okay. So we've arrived in Hull and we've just surmounted our latest obstacle, which was feeding. And we've had a delicious, nutritious snack in a little known restaurant called McDonald's. Delightful it was too. Soggy chips and a limp burger. And it's a bit of a biker's calf because all these bikers here on their scooters. Good guys, good guys. They like to deliver food to the poor people of the village. 10-minute run from McDonald's and we're at the ferry port. All vehicles. There's a picture of a car and a picture of a motorcycle. Ain't no picture of a van. Oh, there's a camper wagon over there. That's okay. There's a Land Rover, so we should get on alright. Our ticket is a little bit dodgy, but don't tell anybody.
Cheers.
Cheers. We've just brought this ice cold beer the whole way from Northern Ireland in a cool box, and we're waiting that long to get onto the boat. We're just gonna drink it right now. I think we've kind of been separated from the motorbike guys. The cars and stuff seem to be loading onto the boat over there. We're probably, because we're a van, we're down here.
Is it just the shoes?
Second ferry today. The size of it. It's a whopper. Oops, there's the beer coming out. Well, the cabin could be described as functional. It's 2 bunks and a bathroom down there. I'm on the top bunk. Guess who's in the bottom bunk? There's an alcoholic. He's got the table, I've got a shelf, and we're still on the beer. Right, we're going to the Irish bar up a circular staircase. Bloody hell. Couldn't be that easy, surely to goodness. We really should be outside.
Aye, quite big like that.
That's a good seat. The Humber restaurant. Come on, you boy. Third time lucky. Looks like it's bedtime. I ain't going to bed. It's only 10 to 11, but I ain't going to bed.